A fresh new episode, and today I am not telecasting the entire flat. It is only this area which I'll be focusing on, as I thought that some detailing of technicalities is essential. So moving ahead to the topic, so we are in the kids bedroom, and as I told you, we are gearing up for the flooring preparation. So the flooring bed preparation is going on. So what you see here are the level dots. So these level dots are spaced at equal intervals, so that the flooring bed, there is complete precision in the flooring bed. So as you see, the side two flooring level dots have been completed, and now the preparation for the second is in progress. So this is basically the leveling, which is at most important. So what you see is a line dori which is kept here, and the mason is checking the entire level so that there is no undulation or no slope. Now this is basically the side test what we do before the flooring. Now this is not still completely in level, it is a bit raised from the center and the sides. So that is the reason why the chipping off, the removing of excess mortar is going on. So what you see is a loose cement. He is just trying to insert the loose cement. So this will definitely make the mix firm and thereby achieving the desired surface. So this kind of detailing is also very essential, so that you often what you see are the makeover videos, but these are the small nuances on site which are of vital importance. So now he will insert the tile. He will just give a small jerk and a small push below the string, so that the complete surface, all the three ends are completely leveled. So the small patting is done in order to see that there are no gaps, no air voids. What you see, the string is completely tight from both the ends. Now this is how we move ahead. So now here the bed preparation is going on. We are actually making the mix. This is basically a mix of sand, some waterproofing chemicals and cement. So we don't complete the bed in one single stretch, so it is done at regular intervals. So what you see here, the half bed is being leveled, and now post that, this was the second batch of leveling which was done. So hope you enjoyed this small video today instead of the entire site tour. So do comment for any detailing, and as always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.